Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today we are going to test something seriously powerful. Something big is happening in the AI world right now, and most peoples are missing it. First, Kimike shocked everyone with what it could do, and just when things started setting down, Alibaba dropped something even bigger, the Qwen 3.8 Max preview. Now this is just not just another AI chatbot, you can ignore this. Alibaba top tier model built go head to head with the most advanced AI system out there. But here is the crazy part. You can actually use it for free. And trust me, the specs are insane. We are talking about a model with 2.4 trillion parameters capable of coding, reasoning, analyzing documents, understanding images, and a lot more. Top of that, it comes with a massive 1 million token contest window. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump in and out Alibaba Qwen 3.8 Max ourselves. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to access step by step, show you what makes it so powerful, and then we will push it to limit by asking to create a 3D model of our solar system using HTML and JavaScript. Open web browser, go to Google search, type Qwen chat, hit enter, click on first link, Qwen chat. Now Qwen official site is open. Click on login. Click continue with Google. Now I am signed in as Google account. Click confirm. Access verification. Drag and complete the puzzle. Now puzzle is verified. Select model. Qwen 3.8 Max preview. You can see thinking. Now I am creating a solar system. I have already created a prompt and saved in Notepad. Copy this prompt. Paste it here. Hit enter. Now you can see code is generating. So guys, you can see code is generated. HTML file is ready to download. Click download. Now file is downloaded. Minimize web browser. Open this PC. Click downloads. Open this HTML file. Now you can see the solar system. So guys, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.